One thing that makes Superwhisper different is that your dictation history doesn't just live in the app, but is also available in your file system. Your recordings are not gone the moment they are inserted into your front app. You can back them up, reuse them, or build them into custom automations across your system. In this video, I will show you how to get more out of Superwhisper via the Shortcuts app. Before we jump in, let's look at why this works. In Superwhisper's configuration tab, under Advanced Settings, you'll find your app folder location. By default, this is in your Documents folder. If we open that in Finder, you will see there's a folder for your settings, any mods you have created, and AI models you have added. You will also find the Recordings folder, where Superwhisper stores your past dictations and their metadata. Let me open one of them. If you have explored the History panel, this may look familiar. Here we got the transcript from the recording and all the data behind each dictation. Since Superwhisper keeps this accessible, you can use scripts or automation tools to put that data to work. You can grab the shortcuts I will be using from the video description. Before you start, open the Shortcuts app, go to Settings, Advanced, and make sure Allow Running Scripts is enabled. This is necessary because these shortcuts need permission to read files from your Superwhisper folder. Also, if your Superwhisper folder is not in the default Documents location, you will need to update the path inside the shortcuts to match your setup. There are many ways to trigger shortcuts, but for this demo, I am adding them to my menu bar. I just need to drag them to this folder. Now I will open a note and let's see them in action. Let's say you were writing an email, then switched to a note-taking app to dictate something else, but forgot to change your mode. You were expecting bullet points, but ended up with a wrong format. One way to deal with this would be to jump directly to Superwhisper's History panel, but now you have another option. You can just switch to the correct mode and trigger a reprocessing with this shortcut. This is also handy for comparing how different modes handle the same audio, or if you simply change your mind after dictating. I got my correctly formatted dictation in a bullet list, but what if I want to get what I dictated without any formatting? I don't even need to reprocess. I can run this other shortcut, which can directly paste the contents of my last raw dictation. I have also included a version of the shortcut that works with the AI processed result and a third dynamic option. The dynamic one checks your most recent dictation and gives you the AI result if the mode had a language model enabled. Otherwise, it pulls the raw voice transcript. I showed you how to trigger this from the menu bar, but if you have other automation apps like Better Touch Tool, Alfred, Raycast, or Keyboard Maestro, you can set a keyboard shortcut and do exactly the same. There's also free and open source alternatives like Keyboard Cowboy. Think of these shortcuts as a starting point. Since they read your recording files, you can easily adapt them to other workflows. Let me show you an example with the dynamic shortcut I was telling you about. I will remove the paste action. Now I will look for Create Note and double-click it. As contents, I will set the if result, which is Superwhisper's result, and as the name of the note, I can set the current date. Running this will now send your dictations straight to your Notes app, which is great if you are into note-taking or productivity. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that Superwhisper also supports deep links to open the settings panel, switch modes, or start recordings directly. All of this is covered in the official documentation, so go check that out because with this, there's a whole other layer of possibilities. Now, everything I have covered in this video is possible only because Superwhisper is built with transparency in mind. These shortcuts I am sharing with you are just one way to take advantage of that. Feel free to grab them, tweak them, and make them your own.